Okay, guys. So, Mom, Dad, give me this reward. Let's open it up. Whoa. These are the two characters.
What is it?
I don't know.
You can ooze it, you can squeeze it, then crunch.
That's
Then crunch.
See?
that is
Then crunch.
that is a funny squish.
Are you happy, Sian?
Whoa. It has Orbeez in it.
No?
Whoa.
There's has Orbeez in it.
It's an orbit.
Orbeez.
Orbis.
It has Orbeez. Look.
Yeah.
And
Are
let's
you
see
happy?
what's in this
Yes.
What will you say to Daddy?
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Daddy. Thank you, Mommy.
one? And
You're welcome.
it's scratchy. Let's see what's inside over here. It is so hard.
Whoa.
Look inside.
Turquoise.
What's
And-
inside, Kuya Seppi?
This is a shovel. Roar. 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 It's strong. Ay, da, 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 da.
Wait lang.
Here we have Thrash versus Blaziken. There, 3, 2, 1.
So that's
Thank
it,
you,
guys.
Thank you for